Digital banks or MP2 pag-ibig, saan nga ba mas lalaki ang pera mo? Pareho silang okay, pero kung seryoso ka mag-ipon long term, mas okay ang MP2 and here's the reason why with actual numbers. Maya, GoTime, CIMB, Cbank, Tonic, meron ako niyan and gumagamit ako kasi sobrang convenient. Pero let's be honest and realistic, yung Maya 15% promo, may Maya Plus subscription, may monthly spend targets, kailangan i-grind every month, mag-skip ka lang ng isang buwan, bagsak agad ang rate mo. Nakakapagod, nakaka-stress. Kaya for fairness, gawin nating 7% pareho yung MP2 and digital bank. Realistic yan, achievable sa Tonic or sa GoTime without grinding promos. Tingnan natin kung sino yung mananalo. Reason number 1, tax. Sa digital bank, 7% ang interest rate, pero merong 20% withholding tax. Ibig sabihin, 5.6% na lang ang interest rate mo. Sa MP2, zero tax. 7% talaga ang makukuha mo, walang bawas, and tax exempt yan under RA 9679. Reason number 2, cap or amount limit. Kahit 7% rate, may ceiling yan. Sa Tonic and GoTime and Cbank, 250,000 lang ang earning ng full rate. Lampas dyan, base rate na lang, around 3.5% gross or 2.8% net. Sa MP2, walang cap. 500,000 or 1 million or 5 million, lahat pare-parehong 7%. Lahat tumutubo ng full. Reason number 3, compounding. Sa digital bank, simple interest lang. Sa MP2, 5 years lock-in, bawat taon, dividend mo sumasama sa principal. Tumutubo ng tumutubo. At alam mo ba, last year, 2025, ang MP2 dividend is 7.12%, the highest in recent years. 7-year average would be 6.81%. Stable, tax-free, compounding, kaya 7% reasonable assumption. Let's do the math. Example number 1, 100,000 for 5 years, both at 7% headline. Digital bank after 20% tax would be 5.6% net with simple interest. Tubo would be 28,000 for a total of 128,000 pesos. Sa MP2, parehong 7% pero compounded at tax-free. Tubo would be 40,255 pesos with a total of 140,255. Lamang ang MP2 ng 12,255 pesos sa parehong 7% interest rate. Yan ang power ng tax-free at compounding. And tingnan natin pag mas malaki ang amount. Example number 2, 1 million for 5 years. Digital bank, 250,000 lang ang earning ng full 7%. Yung remaining na 750,000, base rate na lang na 3.5% gross or after tax would be 2.8% simple interest. Computation would be 70,000 sa cap part plus 105,000 sa base part. Total interest would be 175,000 with a final amount of 1,175,000 pesos. Sa MP2, parehong 7% pero walang cap, tax-free, and compounding. So, ang computation niya would be 1 million times 1.07 sa power of 5 with a total of 1,402,552 pesos. Tumubo ng 402,552 pesos. Difference sa digital bank, 227,552 pesos. Higit 220,000 ang lamang ng MP2. Sa parehong 5 taon, parehong 1 million na puhunan, parehong 7% interest rate. Walang subscription, walang spend target, and walang stress. Pareho silang okay. Digital banks, perfect for emergency fund, ipon na madalas mo nagagalaw, or for your first 100,000 pesos. Mabilis, accessible, and walang lock-in. Kaya kung kaya mo i-grind ang Maya 15% conditions, saludo ko sa'yo. Pero realistically, masyadong tedious yon long term. Pero pag lagpas 100,000 na ang ipon mo at hindi mo naman gagamitin sa next 5 years, MP2 na, same 7% ng digital bank, pero tax-free, walang cap, compounding, at walang condition. Yun ang earning ng pera mo habang tulog ka. Recap, parehong 7% ang interest rate, pero MP2 ang nanalo because of 3 things. First is tax-free, second would be walang cap, and lastly would be compounding. Sa 100,000 pesos, ang MP2 lumamang ng 12,255 pesos. Sa 1 million amount, MP2 lumamang ng 227,552 pesos. Walang subscription, walang spend target, walang stress, at ikaw pa pumili kung saan mo nilagay ang pera mo. Please like the video and follow mo ko for more financial videos.